Welcome to Smart Saving Spot, your go-to channel for smart shopping and tech comparisons. Today, we're looking at two high-end robotic pool cleaners, the Dolphin Premier 2025 model and the Beatbot AquaSense 2. Both offer advanced cleaning features, but which one is the better choice for your pool? We'll break down their specs, performance, and value for the price. Links to both are in the description below. First up is the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner, designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet and priced at around $1,500. This model is known for its multimedia filtration system, providing 4 different filter options: an oversized leaf bag, standard filters, ultrafine filters, and a combo filter to capture debris of all sizes. This flexibility makes it a strong choice for pools that collect both large leaves and fine dirt. The weekly timer allows you to schedule cleanings in advance, so you don't have to worry about manually starting it each time. It features dual commercial-grade motors, which offer strong suction and efficient movement, while its smart navigation system ensures full pool coverage. One of its standout features is waterline cleaning, meaning it doesn't just clean the floor but also scrubs the walls and waterline to prevent algae buildup. However, this model is not cordless. It operates using a floating swivel cable, which helps prevent tangling. Additionally, it requires manual removal from the pool after each cycle. If you're looking for high-end filtration, powerful cleaning, and reliable performance, the Dolphin Premier is a great choice, though it does come with a higher price tag. Now let's talk about the Beatbot AquaSense 2, which is normally priced at $1,500 but currently on sale for $1,200. Unlike the Dolphin Premier, this model is completely cordless, running on a rechargeable battery for a hassle-free experience. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, covering up to 3,230 square feet, which is roughly a 60-foot pool, making it a strong option for larger spaces. One of its standout features is smart surface parking, which allows the cleaner to position itself at the pool's edge when it's done, making retrieval much easier. It also features double-pass waterline scrubbing, meaning it goes over the waterline twice for an extra thorough clean. While it doesn't have the multimedia filtration system found in the Dolphin Premier, it still provides excellent debris collection and wall climbing capabilities. The biggest advantage of this model is its cordless convenience, eliminating the hassle of managing cables. However, you do need to charge it between uses, which can limit longer cleaning sessions. If you prefer cordless operation, easy retrieval, and powerful performance, the AquaSense 2 is an excellent choice, especially if you can grab it at its current sale price. Both of these robotic pool cleaners offer strong cleaning performance, but the right choice depends on your priorities. If you want top-tier filtration, a powerful motor system, and proven deep cleaning, the Dolphin Premier 2025 is a great option, if you don't mind the higher price and corded setup. On the other hand, if you prefer cordless convenience, smart parking, and a sale price that makes it a better deal right now, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 is a fantastic alternative. Let me know in the comments which one you choose. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching Smart Saving Spot, and I'll see you in the next video.